Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Saros. They have 102 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. And of course, their Glassdoor page as well as the job application page will both be linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. They are hiring a customer support specialist. Now, this is going to be through chat and email, so it is completely non-phone. Now, Saros as a company has a growing suite of cloud-based tools empowering professional creators to be able to push beyond their design boundaries and transform in the way they can collaborate with their teams. So they offer like software and creative cloud solutions to artists and designers, basically. So it says you will be on the front line of the support for their customers around the globe, helping them learn and thrive with the Saros platform through live chat, in email, and sometimes screen shares. Your primary focus will be to help the customers with any questions they have about the Saros Studio or any other aspects of the platform. You'll answer technical questions from clients and teammates through live chat and email. You'll work side by side with the clients on the platform to help them achieve their project goals. You'll escalate any advanced questions or issues to the appropriate channels as necessary, and you'll always be taking notes in your head and identifying opportunities for client training and development. So this will require you to become an expert and stay up to date on the new features of the software. Now, if that sounds like something you are interested in doing, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They want somebody who has experience working in design programs like Adobe Photoshop or InDesign, someone who has experience working in some kind of customer service role before. You do not have to have knowledge of like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That may be helpful for the position, but it is not required. You do need to be able to communicate technical concepts to a non-technical audience. So being able to put things into plain English for people who can understand them. Great communication skills, great typing skills, and they're looking for somebody who can be a self-starter. Now, pay for this position is of course going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. They do offer standard benefits, including health insurance, 401k, paid time off. They also say they offer excellent gear. You get a MacBook Air external monitor, etc. So they are going to give you all the computer equipment you need to do the job. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.